guys, this is Kilo Billion here. This is a brand new update for the hustlers. If you know you're a hustler, a J guy, you're into a form of hustling, this one will work perfectly for you. It's called SBLC update. SBLC update. SBLC means standby letter of credit. You know, this standby letter of credit is issued by banks to big businesses like importers, like construction workers all over the world, you know. And this SBLC is issued by big banks like HSBC, Barclays Bank, and other banks. This update can make you a billionaire overnight. I swear to God, can make you be. I've tested it and it has changed my life. This is a brand new update. I can't give the few details, but I'll put the link for you to get the update at the description of this video. All you got to do is click that link. When you click that link, it will direct you to the website where you can get the updates. I have a video tutorial there for you, and I also have a PDF for you to follow how to get the clients, how to know the banks to use, all the documents and everything to run this update. Is all in that file. So just check it out right now. This is for the street guys. This for street guys. If you know you're ready to make your life better, if you know you're tired of suffering, if you know you're tired of working and begging for clients to send you money, then this is the right update for you. Thank you. Still, I still want to emphasize this. You know, this update is no child's play. It's no joke. It's a zip file. You download it. You are going to see a long tutorial video on how to run it. You are going to know how to impersonate the banks. You're going to know where to get the clients. You know, the clients are mostly importers, construction workers, those doing big time businesses, you know, banks and other companies, some private individuals that have high net worth. You know, all the documents are going to be there. How you present the documents one by one, and how your first payment is going to be close to like maybe like 200,000 euros. You know, so you're going to do that step by step. Very easy. Anybody, like any clients you meet, is definitely going to pay with all the documents, and including the website script and everything is going to be there. So you just click on that link in the description and go get your copy now, and go ahead and start making your millions. Thank you, bro.